These are the passenger cars for the Freedom Train. That was a 1949 Alco. It's actually the first Alco. As you can see, Pennsylvania. And part of a heritage tour. And my dear wife allowed me to get this set. And I had the engine, and it had no sounds. And then I went and saw the Mike's Trainhouse version of the Spirit of 76, and he had beautiful sounds. So, yeah, I had to adapt the Mike's Trainhouse PS2 into this Alco, which was pretty exciting. It's a great startup sequence. You're not sure it's going to start, and then it does. Lovely horn. And it'll pull these cars. Not as much drama as a steam engine, for sure. But it's a damn good looking engine. I like it. And it pulls. Every wheel's a driver. Ah, needs a brake job. Okay. I hear ya. So that's the that's an Alco version with Mike's Trainhouse PS2. I have another Alco with PS2. This was an American Flyer that we converted. It's gone through some rough times, but it also has smoke in the B unit, which is pretty exciting. And it's not really complete. I have more decals and stuff, lettering I want to get on it. And I do have some passenger cars for it. It's okay, but oh boy, some other stuff on the horizon. But okay, I took a break. I had to wait for that other video to upload, so I got done. Now I'm ready to get back to work. Got a few things cooking in the back burner. Yeah, you just never know what's gonna pop up around the Franken train yard. All right, gang, have fun. Take care of yourselves. We'll be back. Bye.